Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna continue our Chinese lesson. Do you guys still remember about Pinyin or the Chinese alphabet? It has 16 vowels and 21 consonants. Today we're gonna learn about the consonants. So in the Chinese consonants, there are 21 of them. And we're gonna use the help of the vowels to read them all. I'm gonna say it first and then explain it to you guys later. 波 坡 摸 佛 的 th 呢 了 g 科 h 鸡 七 西 z 呲 s 知 吃 sh 日 Okay, so the first column is the unaspirated sound of the second column. And I'm gonna divide these consonants into two groups so it's gonna be easier for us to learn. The first group and the second group. Oops. Okay, let's start with the first group. So these consonants are pronounced almost the same with the English consonants. You just need to put the Chinese vowels after it. Let's read it together. 坡 摸 佛 th 呢 了 k h. For these consonants, they are the unaspirated sound of these consonants. 坡 波 坡 波 th 的 th 的 k g k g. It's pretty easy, right? So let's move on to the second group. In this group, although they are followed by E as the rhythm form, the only consonants which can pronounce the E sound is these three consonants. Ji, qi, xi, and the others, although they are all followed by E as the rhythm form, we don't pronounce it as E but as U, z, c, s, zhi, chi, shi, ri. It's a little bit harder for this group, so I'm gonna explain the consonants one by one. Okay, let's start with Qi. Qi is almost the same with the beginning sound of jeep, jeep, but make it a little bit softer. So ji, jeep, ji, ji. And this consonant is almost the same with the beginning sound of cheese, cheese, chi, chi. Remember, these consonants are this consonant is the aspirated sound of chi. C. This letter is pretty easy to pronounce. It's like when you pronounce C letter. C, C. These three consonants are also special because when they're followed by U, as directly as the second letter. The U sound pronounced as U, so it sounds like chu, chu, shu, not chu, chu, su. It's the same with when Y followed by U, it's pronounced as yu, not as you. Okay, the next one is zi. Zi. Zi is almost the same with the ending sound of sat, sat, zi, zi. And this consonant is almost the same with the ending sound of cat, cat, zi, zi, zi. And this consonant, it's almost the same with English, just put u after it, si. And for these consonants, it's almost the same with the ending sound of judge, judge, ch, judge, ch. And when you pronounce this consonant, the tip of your tongue should touch your hard palate. So it's like ch. And this letter, it's almost the same with the ending sound of church, church, ch, ch. And these two consonants are almost the same with English, just put u after it, sh, r. Okay, let's try to read them all one by one from the beginning. Bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, ji, qi, xi, zi, ci, si, zhi, chi, shi, r. Maybe it seems really difficult for you guys to pronounce it now, but it's okay. We just need to practice more and more, and when we get used to it, we can pronounce it naturally. So let's try to practice to read these words which combine with consonants and the vowels we already learned. Let's read it together. Bao, bao, pao, pao, mai, mai, fan, fan. Oh yeah, you guys can read the consonant first and then read the vowels and then combine it together. They, remember when combines with another vowel, it's pronounced as a, so this word pronounced as they, they. And this one, it's not tuo, but to, to, nay, nay, le, le, go, go, kang, kang, heng, heng, hen, hen, jiao, jiao, qiu. Remember, when there is e and u, it's pronounced as iu, not you. So this word pronounced as 秋 not chew. Si 靴 Remember, when X followed by U, the U is pronounced as Ü, 靴 沾 冲 搜 招 掺 谁 row. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I hope my videos can be helpful for you guys who want to learn Chinese, and see you guys in the next video. 加油!